bumpy, you little monster. Oh.
Leave our friend alone, fiend. You're no match for cussing diabetes. Diabetes coming through.
Oh. It's like the bad guys bounce right off you. That's my little superhero.
Oh, I can finally go? Thanks.
Imagine how cool that looked through my compound eyes.
Dude, dial it back.
You guys can't find my mom. She's gonna kick your...
Turn denied. Going for blood, guys.
Not. I'll remember that. Behold, the true power of diabetes. Yeah. Ow, ow. There.
You know how to take a hit, diabetes.
Thanks for noticing, Super Craig.
Suck on this.
Okay, now to be honest with you, I'm getting a little cross over here.
You're making a big mistake, guys. Hey, can you guys just give up before we get in more trouble?
Taking a blood sample now.
Dude, dial it back.
Oh, better you hit me than my mom, you jerks. Well done, butthole. I will defeat you.
Oh, Jesus. Phew.
Oh, is this my turn already? Okay.
It's disease spread time. You know kites are really quite fragile. Ooh, I need to book a flight to Palm Beach. This winter really snuck up on me. Be careful, please. I have a number of existing ailments that I don't want to exacerbate. This dry cold is very bad for my sinuses.
Just doing my duty. Mom, are you okay? Nice going, guys.
Kyle, get inside and call the police. We have to get these kids arrested.
No, Mom. No police. This is all my fault.
What?
Look, it's just... I couldn't take my cousin copying everything I do. The human kite is about saving people, not about Judaism.
And now look at all the damage you've caused. I should press charges against your friends. And look, my kite's up in a tree.
I'm sorry. Please, I'll do anything.
You are going to let your cousin play with you from now on. Is that clear? Oh boy, Kyle, Aunt Sheila says I get to play with you.
Yes, sometimes you can play with us.
Yippee! Now get your cousin's kite out of that tree. You're not playing anymore until you do. Come on, Sugarna. Let's get you some Bactine. Oh, I hate Bactine because it gets on my fingers and I get eczema from the lidocaine.
Well, crap. How are we gonna get that kite down? What the hell do we do now? Oh, hey! That's a great idea! Wow, your ass is full of surprises. Great, we got it! Now my mom can stop being pissed at me. When you need to reach high, out-of-the-way spots, give me a call, and we'll parkour up there. Man, I hope I never need to do that in public, though. Kind of embarrassing.
Now, this may sting a little bit.
Oh, ow! Ouch! Oh, here's the... Need to get somewhere fast, you kid? Awesome. Catch you later.
Got some new accessories. Thanks for shopping.
I just love helping people commit to a 2-year contract with unlimited texting and voice.
Help! Somebody help me! You made a real mistake when you attacked us. Welcome to the Greater Raisins Economic Zone. Prepare to die, cuties. Everybody good here? Great. Oh my god, we're going to have so much fun. This is for all the ladies in the world who have to wear new tights. Sorry, sweetie. So what can I get you? You're gonna feel that one when your balls drop, sweetie. I totally spit in your food, by the way. Ow! You cuties are such meanies! I need to check my makeup. I'm literally freezing my ass off. I'm gonna whoop you like my mama did my daddy, sweetie. Huh. Everything all right over there, hun? Oh my god, you did not just do that. I'm gonna show you how we put the double whammy in our double whammy wings. Yes! Now, who ordered the old-fashioned beating cold as hell? That one's on the house, cutie. You'll probably have a black eye tomorrow, but just put eyeshadow on the other eye to match. Trick, sweetie, but it's not going to save you. Hey, guys, are we having fun yet? My mom taught me that. Here for an ass kicking? I'll put that order right in now. I learned that one in Nam.
You picked a fight with the wrong bitches.
You really think you're tough shit, don't you? Well, it's time for you to meet someone. Say hi, Rebecca.
I'm gonna break you in half and stick you up my butt.
Someone's about to get stuffed someplace dark and smelly.
You messed with the wrong raisin, Sugar. Get him, girl.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?
1,000 people just disliked the picture of me in ballet class on Instagram. I'm totally getting trolled right now.
What the F? Heather, why'd you tweet that I was going out with Eric Cartman? I didn't. I'm totally getting trolled right now, too.
What the fuck? What the fuck? I just lost all my followers.
I have to get to a computer.